Позитив коктейл за позитивно разположение.
Yo, Don, we gotta get this loot up. What was born, son?
Здраво, дечки, овој петок ќе се дружите со мене подопувајќи нов коктел Amaretto Watermelon Sour.
For real, niggas who ain't got no feelings. Check it out now.
Вадиме чашата.
We be the infamous, you heard of us. Official Queensbridge heroes. Tomorrow comes a wet there. Beware of my crime family who got enough shots to share.
Amaretto Watermelon Sour е до ние коктелите што се малце покисели, односно sour коктели. Имаме 3 центилитри Amaretto ликер, ликер од бадем и семка од кајсија. Потоа ликер од лубеница, 2 центилитра. Велики sour XXL, 3 центилитри lime juice. За да не биде толку кисел, балансот се прави со шекерен сируп, 1,5 центилитри. Шекаме кисел.
Cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look, they shook. Cause ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. Scared to death and scared to look. Like that is diamonds and guns. There's numerous ways you can choose to earn funds. So some get shot, locked down, and turn nuns. Cowardly hearts and straight up shook ones, shook ones. He ain't a crook, son. He just a shook one. For every rhyme I write, it's 25 to life.
Користиме кора од портокал, етеричната масла.
The only leads to incarceration. You don't know me, there's no relation. Queensbridge MC don't play.
Красуваме со
For your petty
парче
thinking mind,
портокал.
son, I'm bigger than those. Claiming that you pack heat, but you're scared to hold. And when the smoke clears, you be left with one in your dome. 13 years in the projects, my mentality is what kids talk a good one, but you don't want it. Sometimes I wonder, do I deserve to live? Or am I going to burn to hell for all the things I did? No time to dwell on that, cause my brain reacts. Front if you want, kid, lay on your back. I don't fake jazz, kid, you know I bring it to your life. Stay in a child's place, kid, you out of line. Criminal minds thirsty for recognition. I'm sipping, E&J got my mind flipping. I'm bucking, digging my ways out of hope for hustling. Get that loot, kid, you know my function. Cause long as I'm alive, I'm live illegal. And once I get on, I put on all my peoples, react quick,